Hi Ainket, here's your machine. Straight away I can tell that it's a broken part. So this is the actuator for the steam button. So this button would turn on the machine steam mode. The button for the hot water tap is there, so it presses fine for the hot water, but for the steam, obviously, it's not gonna press. So the machine has been dropped during moving. As you can see, the handle's pushed in, so the entire assembly, the entire actuator is pushed in, and that broke off the steam button. But I think also the bracket itself is broken. Like if you see, the whole thing is moving, it should not move. So I'll have to remove the front panel, maybe remove the boiler, and just replace this part. I'll quickly have a look if I've got another one, and I'll continue the video after. Hey Ainket, thankfully I had the part here in stock. One of my machines I've disassembled. Had to spend basically double the time because I had to disassemble the other machine, front panel, wand as well. It's a bit of a pain. It's a very awkward position to remove the nut, but here we are, new wand actuator. Well, new for this machine. It's a used part on a good machine. Obviously I will test the machine and clean, but I did have a look and it was very usable, and didn't have to wait for shipping. I honestly can't remember the part new, but it's probably really expensive, so it's good that I had it used here as well. So I have to connect everything back. I'll give it a quick test and then the machine should be ready. Alright Ainket, the machine is back to normal. Thank God I had the part in stock. This is the... hold on. So it's broken in a couple places. The first place is here, where this button actuator connects. This button switch connects, and that switches on steam mode, and obviously because it was loose, not touching the actual knob, never activates steam. And the other thing was this bracket here was cracked. This is the second part. The bracket is obviously what holds this entire thing in place, and that's why this was loose. This is a new, sorry, it's back to working like new now. Simply showing everything's fine, hot water's fine, steam mode is fine. It'll go to full steaming obviously because it's flashing. When it's solid, it's flashing, it's hot water and steam. But yeah, it's actually going to steam mode. There we go. And then the hot water tap mode again. Just one more time. Steam. Hot water tap. Normal mode. Very happy that it was simpler than expected. Yeah, could have been worse. Could have dented the machine really badly, or I don't know, cracked the tank. Obviously those are also replaceable, but yeah, this is straightforward. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I also did a quick, sort of, not a full service, just a quick checkup, which I'm obviously not going to charge you for. Just looked at a couple of the seals. They look like quite healthy. Maybe we need to change them in 1 or 2 years time, but at the moment very okay to continue using the machine as is. I checked the pressure, full pressure with 0 leaks. As you saw, checked the steam lines and also tightened the steam connector, so there's 0 steam or water leaks in the machine as is. So maybe bring it to me in 2 years time for the basic $80 service where we change 7 of the silicone seals and check everything again. But yeah, the machine is ready to be picked up in about half an hour. Thanks.